Alright guys, today we're going to be cleaning the mass airflow sensor on a 1996 Chevy Tahoe. That's the 5.7 Vortec. See the air box over to the left. You want to take these clamps off. First you want to unplug it. This plug is on the bottom. Anyway, you want to unplug this. Want to unplug that. Then we're going to loosen these clamps up right here to get this off without taking this whole box off right here. And then it's real simple. And then let's see if we can get it without taking all this off. We'll stick the screwdriver in here, loosen that up. Let's see if we can get this off. Let me put this down because I need two hands to do this. Let me see if I can get this off. All right, guys. As you can see, I was able to get this off without taking the air box off and all that stuff off. So we're gonna clean this. We're gonna have to get this mass airflow sensor spray, and then we're gonna start cleaning this. All right, guys, this is the CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner. I'm gonna shake up the can real good. Try not to get none on that plug right there, but if you do, it's not the end of the world. We're gonna spread a little bit on like the sides, and then up the middle. A little bit go a long way. You don't need much. And then what I like to do is I like to sit it in the inside of the house, especially it's not a warm day. It's kind of cool. Like 30, 35 degrees. So I sit in the inside of the house for like sit on some newspaper for about like 15 minutes, just until it dry out. It don't take that long because this stuff evaporates pretty quick. But you don't want to just do it and throw it back in. I know a lot of people do it, but I just don't like to do it that way. Just like to make sure it's fully dry. And then, like I said, it don't take much. Just use a little bit of it, and then I'm gonna sit this back in the house and let it dry. Then we're gonna get this back on the vehicle. All right. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering, this stuff costs $6 or $7 a can, but it's cheaper than the mass airflow sensor, which could run you upward about $100. All right, guys. Well, guys, while I'm at it, I can be while I'm letting the mass airflow sensor dry, I could be cleaning out the throttle too. Throttle body, we're cleaning that out too. So let me unplug this. Untwist this right here. I know some of these be stuck a lot, so when you put them back on, but I took this out before, so when you put it back on, just put like a little lube or oil up in there, or grease, and then screw it back on so you won't have a problem doing it again. Take it out and just pop it right off. And then, as you can see, it's not too bad. But I'm gonna clean it out anyway since I got this off, so I don't have to worry about it. All right, let me go get some spray. All right, guys, I got the SuperTech air cleaner spray, air intake cleaner spray. I know some of you like certain cans, but it don't really matter. This stuff is like $1 and something, some change. So I got this. So, all right, let me start. You can just spray up in there. Like that. I do. Let's open it up. That's all, guys. Make sure that it's open. Let me see, I'm trying to hold it with both hands. Just spray up around there. Just make sure it open up freely so stuff won't be sticking. I don't need much because it's not too bad. This stuff not too dirty. Yeah, it's not too bad. All right. So Let me go get my mass airflow sensor. I think that should dry long enough. Then I'm gonna put everything back together. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and replace everything. When you do replace the mass airflow sensor, make sure that arrow facing towards the throttle body and not towards the filter. All right, guys, once you got everything back on, make sure you tighten both of your hose clamps up. Plug your tube back in. Make sure the map sensor plug back in. And this right here plug back in. And don't forget to put this, make sure this is seated properly. And then put your screw back in up here. Make sure everything good to go. Am I on the right thing? I don't think it was on there. Alright, guys, there we go. Alright, just tighten it back up now. Alright, don't over tighten it because you don't want to crack it. Again, double check everything, make sure everything good. The hose tighten up, everything plugged back in. And that's it, guys. Everything's straight. Alright, and that's it. That's how you clean your throttle body and clean your airflow sensor, mass airflow sensor. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.